sanitizer.
Carlos, his name.
Hi, Carlo. The purpose of Amtrak is to deliver a high-quality, safe, on-time rail passenger service. But Amtrak is also known for its delays. She's handicapped too, and she might sit beside me. You need help? I actually forgot my SD card for my camera, so I'm using my phone right now. I don't know, I think it's 11 hours to get there. We're leaving here at 9:25 a.m. and arriving there at 8 p.m.
Hello everybody,
Wait a minute! Who are you?
my name is Daniel.
To my surprise, we've met Daniel before. He was training for Flixbus from LA to Las
Let
Vegas.
me share a bit of information. This bus has Wi-Fi. USB outlets are located underneath your seats. There is also a restroom on the back of the bus. Emergency exits on this bus. All windows with a red handle are emergency exits. Last thing is the fire extinguisher. It is located on the left side of the driver's seat. It takes about 2 hours to get to Bakersfield. We made arriving in Bakersfield around 11:30. So just relax and enjoy the
We
ride.
have just entered Interstate 5 and we will be here for a while. There are overhead cabins, but it's not that big. So most of your luggages will be under the bus. Let's go check out the rest of the bus. Those white plastics are your bin bags. They're kind of tacky, but you know, I think they work. Wow, there's a table here. This looks so comfortable. There is one more problem that Amtrak has. I hope this gets fixed in the future. This could be a luggage compartment. Oh, it's a way for ADA. Okay, got it. And there's actually a restroom. And it must be taken because the red light is on. Let's check it out later. If you're sitting here, you have that and a stepper. I really don't know the value of this one. I haven't seen a charging point, so maybe we'll see one later. I don't know. There should be one. I'm not sure why there's not. Was it free seating when you come here, or do you have assigned seats? Just go sit there. I think that the lavatory is on constant red. Not sure if anyone's there. The views of I-5 is pretty cool, especially when you hit Castaic, California. Going to Yosemite, we're taking the Amtrak, but on the way back, I'm taking Greyhound, but that's for another video. This thing was burned. Wow. So sad. What's in Yosemite? Well, aside from the good nature of Yosemite, I'm meeting my bestie there. Her hobby is gonna hike something. I think it's a half dome, and they will start hiking by 12 midnight tonight. Hopefully, we arrive there safely. This has been lit red for a while now. I can't wait anymore. Let's check it out. Yep, it's available. It's pretty simple. There's a toilet paper right here and that's it. Please bring your hand sanitizer, and there's a mirror. Yep, it's a bit stinky in here. You know, I'm not that hungry because I felt bad that I left my SD card. I brought snacks with me. This sea salt, potato chips, Catalina Crunch. I did have fruits. Check out my banana. It's so small. I bought the travel pack of collagen up. It's really good for the knees. Edamame wasabi flavor. It's still in the box, but I have this protein. We have 11 hours, so I have to consume this all day. I did bring a mini cooler too, and inside of it is my favorite Spindrift. Sparkling water. Real squeezed fruit. It only has 5 calories. Almost 0 sugar, and it's all natural fruit. I gave one to the driver, and there's also protein pretzel right there. I don't believe in this one, but I think it was free and I got it. I'm really liking this trip. I hope you like it too. The views are epic and traffic almost nada. By the way, these are the staples in my bag. Sunnies, hand sanitizer, and sunblock that you have to put every 2 hours. I also downloaded some YouTube videos just in case. I don't think I'll be watching anything for this trip. I think I'm just gonna edit from my phone. I'm an only child and you know, I keep myself busy. I can entertain myself, so that's what's good about it. There's a huge IKEA right there. I'm eating an apple right now because I think it's really good to start with fiber in the morning. Fiber or protein. I don't know what to expect at Bakersfield, but I'm kind of excited to find out how it looks like. I didn't know there's Dutch bros in California. I think we're near our first stop because we have made an exit. That looks like an Amtrak bus and I think we're just gonna follow it till we hit the station.
Everybody, welcome to Bakersfield. Please don't forget your belongings. Then just wait next to the bus to claim your luggage. Once everybody gets down safely, I'm gonna start getting your bags. Thank you for choosing Amtrak.
Well, as far as the Amtrak notorious delays, we actually arrived 20 minutes earlier for this one. Thank you, driver! Our train doesn't leave until 12:12. We came in early, like 10 minutes before the time, I think, or more than that. I forget what time we got in. But we did come in early. So I need to use the loo. So I think I'm gonna go to the waiting area. So pretty. Everyone's coming in here. Is it me or this looks like a chapel? There's a Greyhound station here too. I should have used the lavatory inside the bus. Now I gotta wait. That's okay. Now I know why they prefer the washroom because you actually wash your hands. Soda, chips and chocolate and coffee. Let's go check out outside and maybe we could just wait there. It's too hot. I think I'm just gonna wait inside. There are available outlets here for your charger, but I think you have to sit on the floor if you want to use your phone while charging.
Yes, it's working. Okay, we'll leave it here. And we'll just watch it.
This is a good chair so I can see my train. Almost 12 and I'm kind of getting hungry, so I think we'll have some chips or something. You know what? I'm kind of curious, so let's try this protein pretzels. 6 grams net carbs, 27 grams protein, 120 calories. Our train is actually here right now, but I'm still charging and I want to take advantage of that. It's at 7:05, but I swear to God, my ticket says 7:15. But that's our train.
Amtrak passengers headed south off 12:05. Amtrak buses are boarding.
It's not the one to Merced, right?
Yeah, it'll probably start boarding in.
Oh, this is the one to Merced.
Yeah, but it's not boarding yet. Not until 12:15 and 12:30. They got to clean it real
Okay, thank you so much. Is this the service for ADA handicap? Oh, cool. It looks like everyone's excited to ride this train. Well, the train has not left and it's 12:22 right now. The thing with connecting trains is just... Oh,
Attention passengers, train 702 is becoming 715. They are just currently cleaning it right now and inspecting the train.
the thing with connecting trips is that if you're delayed on your connection, then you're in trouble for the next one. So I hope we're not in trouble for the next one because that's our gateway to Yosemite.
Your final boarding call for your northbound train 715
Hello.
on track 1. Once again, this is the final boarding call for your northbound train.
It's a one-floor train. Nice. Seats here? Oh, sorry. Huh?
My wife.
Okay, cool. Is it moving that direction? That direction?
This way.
Oh, okay, okay. So,
Have fun if you want.
can I share with you? Thank you. It's pretty cool. It looks comfortable. The question is, will we arrive on our next destination on time to get to our next stop?
I will be walking through to help you move them items if you need help. Because we're a sold out train, the conductors will gladly sell you that seat starting at $60. I can think of 100 different ways to spend $60 and have my backpack next to me. Thank you.
Look at this. Okay. Is there a cafe here? Cafe car?
There's free snacks and water right here.
Free snacks and water?
Yeah, there's no more cafe. It hasn't been since May.
Oh, oh. Huh?
Yeah, it's right here, the free snack right
I
here.
want some. Oh, I know, I didn't.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hot
cool.
water and hot soda right here.
Hot soda.
And hot chips, you know.
I was really hoping to get like a nice coffee drink on the Amtrak cafe, but I don't think this is one of those trains.
While on board, please take advantage of our complimentary snack box and water located in cars 2 and 4. Please have your tickets open and available for the conductor to scan. If your ticket is on an electronic device, please ensure your screen brightness is turned up. No smoking or vaping is allowed on this train, including in the restrooms. Attempting to do so or tampering with smoke detectors will result in removal from the train. Please do not block adjacent seats with your belongings, and refrain from putting your feet on the seats. Additionally, please keep aisleways clear of luggage and other personal items. Items under 25 pounds should be safely stowed in the overhead storage area and larger items in the luggage racks at the end of each car. If you need assistance, please ask a crew member. For your safety, be aware of open stairwells in the vestibules at the ends of each car. Please watch your step, use handrails when passing between cars, and do not linger in the vestibules while the train is in motion.
We left 12:45, so they're like 30 minutes late.
Do update the app in case you need to know. It's now arriving at 4:09 p.m.
It's a good thing I can continue my phone charging in this train. Cheetos, Cheez-It. Ooh, I want this. Yeah, it's free. But I'm gonna get myself water. I think that's important. We're going back to our seat. Yikes! The soda were warm. It needs ice, but I have a cooler. Maybe that can solve it. We'll be back for that. Let's check the lavatory. Ooh, it's automated. Let's just bring your water bottle, which I forgot. Trash can over here. Oh wow! This train is new. Ooh, looks clean. Love a clean train. It doesn't stink at all. Push to lock. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! I love it! Oh. For emergency, you have that one. There's a hand dryer and the faucet is so modern. Look at that with lit mirror, and there's a baby changer, and that's a flush. You just have to wave your hands. Yeah. Also Wi-Fi on board. I do remember the last time going through cars and I need to open and unlock them and it's so shaky, but right now, wow, it's so nice.
If Wasco is your stop, please gather all of your belongings and prepare to exit the train.
I asked other frequent commuters if they prefer this train over the old train, and they said they kind of miss the second floor.
Oh really? It's often? It's common?
Oh yeah. Delays are getting common too, so how's your high-speed rails? Will it be faster or is it just gonna be delayed?
The town of Allensworth was founded by Colonel Allensworth after the Civil War as a place for formerly enslaved blacks to own property and start Joaquin's stops at Allensworth for group tours and for the park's annual Juneteenth and October rededication events. For more information, visit AmtrakSanJoaquins.com.
Ooh, they're building a bridge here. It looks so exciting. Is this part of the California high-speed rail?
If Corcoran is your stop, please gather all of your belongings and prepare to exit the train.
Once again, please remove all bags, luggage, purses, feet, anything in those seats to allow everyone to have a seat this afternoon.
Hi, I have a question. Is there a business class on this train?
No, on this train.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool. Thank you. Oh, there's two.
If you have checked your luggage, you can claim your luggage at the rear of the station. Hanford Station. Thank you for riding Amtrak San Joaquins.
Wow. They're kidding. A lot of people are gonna ride here. Hi, horses. Hello.
Next stop, Fresno Station.
You don't believe my announcement. Our next station stop will be picking up 110 people. So as I walk through and still see these bags, feet, purses in those seats, I need them to be removed, ladies and gentlemen. This is not a suggestion, it's a requirement. If you bought one ticket, you deserve one seat. If you like to purchase a seat next to you, never mind, that's not an option. This is a sold out train.
Now arriving at Fresno Station.
It does feel a little bit cramped now that Amtrak is packed, but it is what it is, and it's a Sunday.
I will be coming through to restock those right now. I do ask that everybody remove everything from the aisleways and watch your legs and elbows as I'm coming through.
Are now going down, Merced. Gotta be careful. I'm one knee only.
Merced, here we are. Thank you so much. Bye. It's not our first time here at Merced. We did this before from San Francisco and now we are here at Yards. Well, I hope the bus is there because I will cry if we can't go tonight at Yosemite.
Normally it picks up at the rear, but we've got construction. So today we're in the front.
Hi, are you guys waiting for Yosemite? You guys are not going to Yosemite, right? No. You're not going to Yosemite, are you?
I'm not.
No one is. It's that one. Whoa. I want to make sure this bus doesn't leave us. Oh, scanning. Here's the Yards bus. Okay. I think I'm gonna use this one. Still waiting for that. I was supposed to bring my bike with me. I don't know if I'm happy that, you know, it's less stress traveling without it, but I'm sure I'm gonna have fun with my bike, and it's a folding bike, so I'm sure I can bring it anytime. But next time there's gonna be a lot of adventures with my bike, I promise you that. Oh, okay, so that's where they are all going. Before I forget, I really have to take this. This has really worked on my joints and I just mix it with water. It doesn't taste fishy or anything. Let's check the bus. And back here is the loop. Ooh, okay. Ooh, actually it doesn't stink at all. I'm surprised. Hand sandy. Nothing. This must be the freshest bus I've ever experienced in my life. Look at this, it's a single row. We have a 10-minute break and it's time to stretch. There's a huge grocery right there if you want to shop. And the restroom is just there. Where are you guys staying?
Curry Village.
Oh, me too! That's my drop. Yeah.
The tent cabin.
Here.
Oh, how fun. You're meeting someone.
Yeah, my bestie.
Oh, no. Oh, nice.
Here, Stoneman.
Oh, those are nice. You have your own bathroom. Those are good.
Thank God.
I know.
What do you have? Wow! Ready to eat?
Ready to. Well, we're not going to be cooking.
You have like apple slices over there. I love it. Almonds, very important. Cheese.
Lodge.
How much is gas in Yosemite? Let's check it out. Chevron is $5. We arrived 20 minutes ahead of time.
How did you know that you're here?
It's 808 Stoneman Cottage.